Hey Badge 147, I'm making this video to congratulate all of you, and I am really happy that you all are graduating today. And you guys are amazing, and you guys are different in a way that you did fellowship virtually, total virtual fellowship, which makes you a special people. Because in the midst of the uncertainties and in the midst of a pandemic, you guys were really looking forward to improve yourself professionally and personally, and that shows that you have a growth mindset and you are infinite player. If I talk in terms of Simon Sinek's concept of finite and infinite player. If you are familiar with it, that's good. If you are not, read about it and you will know what I'm talking about. And so you guys have shown that you are ready to take the uncertainties, and even if there are difficulties around you, you would still find a way to figure out something, and you would still be looking to improve and to grow. And for that, congratulations. And I know you are not very excited about this virtual graduation, but believe me, this is another step where you have proven that you are again infinite players. So thank you so much for sticking with us for throughout this journey, and welcome to the club. Now you are a part of you are not fellow anymore, now you are alumni, and for that it's really feel awesome. um, and yeah, I'm always here for you guys if you ever do something great. And if you won't able to do something great, I mean, it's जरूरी नहीं है कि कुछ great करें तो भी है। वो एक वो लाइन है कि जो लोग कुछ नहीं करते वो भी कमाल करते हैं। तो प्लीज़ जो भी करें या कुछ भी ना करें, जो भी कमाल करें, तो प्लीज़ कीप मी इन द लूप, एंड आई विल ऑलवेज बी शाउटिंग आउट फॉर यू. आई एम ऑलवेज हियर to motivate you, to help you in any way that I can. And good luck with everything. Be happy. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I am very happy to record this video for you, and I'm also very excited to see you all on the graduation. I know this is not what we have imagined, and this is not how we really wanted to do it. But things happen, and life takes precedence on a lot of things. So I think this happened as well. I'm sure we all wanted to meet. I'm sure we all still want to meet, and we can find ways to do that very soon, inshallah. Just that I want to tell you one thing. I think मैंने ये पूरी फेलोशिप में भी हर किसी को ये बात reiterate की है, और मैं फिर से करना चाहती हूँ. And इसके लिए I have a very quote that's very favorite to me, is that to be nobody but yourself in a world which is doing its best night and day to make you everybody else. It means to fight the hardest battle which any human being can fight and never stop fighting. और ये चीज़ मैं इसलिए कहती हूँ क्योंकि आप सबको एक पर्पस से भेजा गया है इस दुनिया में, और वो पर्पस बहुत यूनिक है. टू व्हाट यू डू, व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. आपको टैलेंट भी दे के भेजा है. हम बहुत दफ़ा ऐसे करते हैं कि दूसरे लोगों को देख के उसकी तरह बनने की कोशिश करते हैं कि चलो वो कामयाब हो गया, मैं भी वैसे कामयाब हो जाऊंगा. जो बात हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमने किसी का सेकंड रेट वर्जन नहीं बनना है, हमने फर्स्ट क्लास वर्जन बनना है अपना. अगर मैं सना आरिफ हूँ तो मैं फर्स्ट क्वालिटी वर्जन हूँ सना आरिफ का, सेकंड क्लास वर्जन नहीं हूँ किसी और का. और मेरी सक्सेस डिफरेंट तरीके से होगी, ऐसे जैसे शायद मैंने कभी सोची भी ना हो. और यही चीज़ मैं आपको इस ग्रेजुएशन पे भी रिमाइंड करना चाहती हूँ, और चाहती हूँ कि यू कीप ऑन होल्डिंग ऑन टू दिस लेसन एज वेल. ड्यूरिंग द फेलोशिप आई हैवंट टॉट यू, I don't know if I have taught you anything at all, but I haven't taught you everything, that's for sure. And I was not expecting to teach you everything as well. What I was expecting is, and I'm sure half of you at least, or most of you are proficient in that, is problem solving. Life problems फेंकेगी आपकी तरफ, धक्के देगी, जैसे I always keep on saying. लेकिन और प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसे होंगे जो शायद कभी हमें पहले देखे ना हो, सुने ना हो, फ़र्क हो, हमें पता ना हो उनका सोल्यूशन क्या है. बट जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है वो ये है कि हमें ये पता है कि हमने उसके सामने खड़े कैसे रहना है. हमें ये पता है कि हमारे पे मुश्किल आए तो हमने जाके ढूंढना कैसे है उसका सोल्यूशन. और हमें ये भी पता है कि अगर वक्त पड़े तो हमने लड़ना कैसे है. और यही मैं चीज़ चाहती हूँ. सक्सेस, फेलियर, ये सब रिलेटिव बातें हैं. किसी के लिए सक्सेस है, किसी के लिए फेलियर है. जो इम्पोर्टेंट है और जो ज़रूरी है वो इंसान का होना है. इंसान का अच्छा होना ज़रूरी है. वही अच्छी बात है, वही रह जाना है, वही ज़रूरी है। काम, जॉब, नौकरी, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, दिस ऑल विल कंटिन्यू। होगा, कभी नहीं होगा, लेकिन ये आपका सक्सेस नहीं है। आपके रिलेशनशिप्स विद योर फैमिली, विद अदर पीपल, एवरीथिंग दैट यू डू, किसी का पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट, ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो हमेशा रहेंगी। With this, I would like to congratulate you all on graduating. I won't say finishing because some of you have finished very earlier, मतलब काफ़ी ख़त्म पहले कर लिया. But I would like to congratulate you all on graduation, and I hope to see you all inshallah very soon. I would again say, और मैं ये बात पहले भी कह चुकी हूँ, पर शायद कुछ लोग भूल जाते हो. I would like to stay in touch with all of you. कुछ लोगों के साथ मैं रहती भी हूँ WhatsApp के ऊपर. Please don't forget. Don't hesitate to throw me a text and talk to me. I'll be very happy to talk to you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Asfandyar. I was cluster manager for your batch during the Amal Career Prep Fellowship. Some of you might have seen me as a silent spectator in your sessions. I might have also interacted with some of you during your mock interview sessions. I just want to take this opportunity today to congratulate all of you on your graduation. I hope you have taken this opportunity of the fellowship to improve yourself. I'm confident that all of you have become better versions of yourselves, that all of you have become lifelong learners, and I hope that you continue on this path of self-discovery as you enter your professional and personal life. So congratulations once again, and I wish you all the very best for the future.
मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो हैं जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. I welcome you all to batch 147, a batch of risk takers and conviction of steel. And the gold medalist goes to Tuba Khan. Congratulations, Tuba. The best mega project, a project that not only empowered women and skills, but also created jobs, goes to Mirak. Graduated with highest honors. Ahmed Ali Talha. Hafsa Salman. Laiba Akram. Tehmina Amjad. Zartashia Afzal. Graduated with honors. Ahmad Salim. Ali Hassan. Anam Amin. Arfan Shehzad. Haris bin Shahid. Hunsha Imran. Ikra Sharafat. Muhammad Ahmad. Muhammad Ahmad Raza. Muhammad Hanan Ahmad. Muhammad Naki Raza. Muhammad Rahil Hussain. Noorul Huda. Kuratulen Anjum. Rabia Anwar. Rohma Rashid. Sarmad Ali Shahood. Savera Sikandar. Suleiman Zahoor. Sayyid Ashar. Umar Iqbal. Zainul Abidin. Zunaira Khan. Simple graduates: Ali Haider, Amber Rubab, Ariba, Aisha Ehsan, Faisal Mahmood, Fariha Javed, Mehwish Rahman, Mubashir Hanif, Muhammad Awais, Kanbeet Kaleem, Sayyida Javeria Waqar, Sayyida Tawseef Zahra. Congratulations, batch 147.